What's the meaning of altogether? Altogether. 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 Altogether.
Altogether is an adverb that means completely, entirely, or in total. It is used to describe a situation where all the parts have been considered as a whole and the final sum or result has been reached. For example, if a group of people collected $1,000 for charity altogether, it means the total amount collected was $1,000. Similarly, if someone says they stopped eating meat altogether, it means they have completely stopped consuming all types of meat. Overall, altogether signifies a complete or absolute picture or outcome.